Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This might be the best stock buying opportunity right now in the entire market. As you guys know, I've been doing videos on undervalued stocks for the past, I don't know, 1 or 2 years by now. And almost every single one of them has have worked out very, very well and continue to do so, especially in the last 2 months where we've kept a solid 100% win rate on stock investments. And I think that's over about 20 to 25 stock investments. So very, very good. With that being said, I did actually make an American Airlines video a year ago, as you guys can see here. And what has it done since then? Well, since that video, of course, it did very well. So it went all the way from $11 to at one point $16 up here. So that did very well. All these other stocks that I included in this video did very well, except for um, Neo here. So AMD, I think, tripled in price since then. Apple added maybe 40%. Ford, I don't even know what Ford has done since then, to be honest, but American Airlines had that very nice run as well. Um, with that all out of the way, today's profit screenshot is coming from the cash out trading server, and this is just an update on our current Starbucks position. So if you're watching this video, thank you for sending me that, because I do want to start off all these videos with a profit screenshot. That would be great. So I've got a bunch of information showing why we should be buying American Airlines stock. And before I really get into that, I do want to say that even though I have this here showing my profit and loss for American Airlines with an average buy all the way down here at $11.30, this doesn't mean I won't be buying even more, especially if it goes down. And this doesn't mean that we're expecting to be out of this trade by July. Actually, we can expect to be in it for a while longer, so I will extend that even more, probably for sure. We might fix the take profit and stop loss points in the future, but I always, update those in Discord, so no need to worry about that now. With that being said, what has it been doing really in the last 5 years? Well, this is actually not my only time back here buying American Airlines. I've been scalping it for a while. Each one has been very, very profitable. At one point, even a lot of my family members got into the trade because of my previous history trading American Airlines, and they did very well. So it's kind of just been coming down, especially since COVID. There was this massive drop since COVID, but it's been kind of recovering. Like we have seen, especially in their EPS recovering, but it's just been impossible for basically all airlines companies to recover completely since COVID. So I think American Airlines, now that they are in a spot where it's basically like they haven't moved since COVID, so we're almost at COVID lows, I think right now is literally the perfect opportunity to buy into American Airlines, especially if you're not already holding shares. I think you should start your position now. Also, if you guys are hearing any background noise, that's because I'm currently traveling, and my Airbnb is next to a bunch of noisy seagulls, and so we're kind of dealing with that at the moment. But it's fine, we're going to keep going. Let's take a look at some price targets. So these are from financial analysts, of course, on Wall Street. We can see the average price target for 2025. This is a 12-month price target, as you guys can see here. So we can expect American Airlines to be worth $16 per share about a year from now. Now, this is not super up to date. It might have been maybe posted like a week or two ago. I don't even know. Uh, but I definitely agree with this price. Not that that matters a whole lot on my opinion, but just seeing where it's been trading, and especially if we go back to like 5 years ago, where it was trading for a ton of money, easily in the 50s. So I think it could get there someday, but this is probably a more realistic thing, going up 50% in the next year. And of course, with a high price target of $24, so that's more than doubling, more than 100% within the next year. I don't know how realistic that is, to be completely honest. We're going to have to see some impressive earnings to get that much of a move, but the low is $11, so we're basically there. So we're really not risking that much. Now, let's take a look into their kind of fundamentals themselves as a company. So we can see the EPS, like in 2020 was terrible, of course, with COVID. In 2021, they were recovering. 2022, they became profitable. 2023, very profitable, so back performing very well. And if we look at previous, like before COVID numbers, we can see that they were performing extremely well, especially all the way since 2014 to 2019. Those are really good numbers as a company. And if we're expecting EPS to double, so if they go back into this range, not only will that be like 100% increase in EPS, that means the fair value of the stock will be over 100% as well. So very good. If we look at the quarterly EPS, it's kind of just going back and forth from profitable to not profitable, but at least we're seeing more profitable moves going up from, being down 3.57, $2, 1.40, 250 to now making moves of great progress. So I think while the stock is down, we definitely should be loading up. And we probably shouldn't even be selling our whole position here at $15. I think the smart thing would be sell maybe some of our position. Some portion we'll have to decide that when we get to it, of course, but then keeping a lot of those shares to see if American Airlines can get back into these crazy ranges that it was trading before, which was a fair value. It's just that now there's a lot of competition and, of course, COVID. So I'm going to be holding a lot of this stock. Right now we see our profit and loss here is literally nothing compared to the potential of American Airlines. And I think since American Airlines has been around since, forever, for so long, back in 2005, I do think that it's definitely going to be getting back up there eventually. So with that being said, I would appreciate it if you guys subscribed because we are trying to get this channel monetized as soon as possible. I will post the Discord link in the description so you guys can take all my trades live with me. And yeah, thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day, guys. I'll see you in the next video.